Guardians of Willow Woods, another adventure with Nutmeg and friends. Tashia, a passionate photographer, had spent months documenting the Eco Super Squad, a unique team of woodland animals dedicated to keeping Willow Woods clean. Her days were filled with the gentle rustle of leaves, the chatter of animals, and the steady hum of her camera, capturing their efforts to heal the forest. At first, the animals were cautious around her. Nutmeg the squirrel would dart behind trees, Brandi the bunny would observe from a distance, and Olivia the owl would watch from her perch high in the branches. But soon Tashia became a part of their daily routine. She marveled at the squad's teamwork, Nutmeg gathering litter, Brandi carefully sorting items for compost, and Finn the fox dashing between piles of recyclables. Even the ants played their part. Slowly, Tashia realized that she wasn't just witnessing a cleanup operation. She was witnessing a living example of community. Through her lens, she captured more than actions. She captured moments of unity, care, and creativity. She watched as caretakers painted roofs with white reflective paint to keep homes cool, and as children used biodegradable balloons for events. Her neighbor Ellie, the dog walker, taught everyone in Willow Woods how to use natural fertilizers that feed and protect the plants without harming the animals. With every shot, Tashia documented a story of collaboration, showing that the health of Willow Woods depended on everyone doing their part. Tashia loved telling stories with her photography, and she felt deeply connected to the message she was capturing. One day, she learned about the art fair in Miami, an event celebrating artists who use their art to address vital issues like protecting each other, the earth, and social justice. Tashia knew that her photos would fit among the others. Her art showed how humans and animals work together to care for nature. She knew her art could inspire others. So she submitted her photos too. To her delight, they were chosen. And the best part, everyone was invited. The squad arrived at Art Basel. They wandered through halls filled with paintings, sculptures, and installations from artists all over the world. But as they turned a corner, they stopped in their tracks. Their eyes widened as they saw it. Brandi's eyes filled with wonder as she stared at the mural. "That's me," she whispered, voice trembling with awe. Finn the fox, standing beside her, looked closely and nodded. "Yes, that's us. That's everything we've done. Together." Brandi stepped forward, her paws brushing against the soft light surrounding the display. "We look like superheroes," Finn said softly, his usual playful tone replaced by awe. Brandi smiled proudly. "We are superheroes, all of us are," she said. "We just don't wear capes." In that moment, the Eco Super Squad realized something profound. It wasn't just about cleaning up the forest. It was about showing the world that when we care for each other, when we care for the earth, extraordinary things happen. If we can inspire even one person to take action, to care for their corner of the world, then we've done what we were meant to do. Can you draw a picture that shows an exciting adventure you had? We'd really love to see it, and always remember, be kind to one another.